Hi everyone, this is Lisa. I just wanted to walk you through quickly how to submit your transcripts from GZT1 into Taskstream for evaluation. One of the first things that you're going to be completing is GZT1 in the program. You're going to do the modules. They each take about an hour. Once you're done, you're going to be able to print off a transcript, and that's what's going to be going into Taskstream for evaluation. The evaluators verify that you've completed the modules and then give you your pass. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to sign into HealthStream, and you are going to look on this left hand side. You're going to see you've got different blue tabs or different links. You're going to click on your My Transcript tab. That's going to bring up the modules that you have completed. You're going to click on this top button, Customize and Print, and then it's going to bring up kind of a filter for you to search. All of you have completed GZT1 within the last 12 months, so the default filters work just fine. You're going to click on Continue. Then it's going to bring up a separate window with your transcript. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click Export. This is going to bring you to a web page. It exports to a different single web page that works for a couple weeks. And you are going to then highlight this URL. In addition to submitting a PDF copy of the transcripts, you're going to be submitting the URL for this transcript into Taskstream. And this helps the evaluators verify that you have honestly finished the modules. You're going to highlight this URL. You're going to copy it. You're going to go over to Taskstream, and in Taskstream, you're going to let me go back to the main page. You're going to click into GZT1, and you're going to go to GZT Task 1, and you are going to, first you're going to click on this GZT submission form. You're going to click on this button to the right that says Complete Form. And then what you're going to do, I already did this once, so what you're going to do is you are going to right click and you are going to paste in that URL address that we just copied. You're going to click Save and Return, and what that does is that saves the URL submission. The other thing that you're going to have to submit into Taskstream is a PDF copy of your transcript. You're going to go back to that same transcript. We're going to go back to that same screen, that filter where you exported the transcript. You're going to click on Continue again, and this time you're going to hit, it depends on your computer. For my computer, I hit Print, and I have the option to save as a PDF. Sometimes you can right click it, and I'm going to click Save, and then it's going to give me the option of where I want to save it. For this, I'm just going to save it on my desktop. I'll just keep that title, and I'm going to click Save. I'm going to go out of it. I'm going to go back to Taskstream, and then I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen, and I'm going to click on this Attachments button. This is basically how you're going to be attaching any files that you need to for Taskstream. All the steps are pretty much the same. When you click on that Attachments button, it's going to give you this option. You're going to choose File, and I'm going to go down to my desktop, which is where I saved that file before, and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to click on Add File. What that does is that uploads the file into this, and you can see it's a PDF. It has to be in the right format, otherwise they will not evaluate it. It'll get turned back to you. Then I'm going to save and return that as well. Once I've completed my form and I've also attached my saved PDF, I'm going to click on the Submit Work button. Once I submit work, I'm not going to actually do that because I don't want the evaluators having to evaluate my work. Once you do that, it takes a couple days for the evaluators to go over everything, and you should receive an email notification stating that you passed your assessment, and then you're done with GZT1. It takes a few days after that for the pass to show up on your degree plan. but it does happen pretty quickly. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. But once again, just the key points to this are saving the transcript as a PDF and you attach it. The other part is when you export the transcript, highlighting that URL address and copying and pasting it into this URL submission form. And then you are good to submit work. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, you just let me know.